think we've got it covered here. Yeah. Hey ladies, so this is a video of 2 head wraps that I would wear anywhere. These are great head wraps for everyday use. A little different than my typical head wrap. Those are a little more complex. I just wanted to come to you with something simple. It doesn't have to always be hard, you know? So let's get right to it. So we're gonna start off with an underscarf or an under cap on. If you wanna know what this is, I am wearing. This is what they look like, and inside is lined with satin. And they come in different colors. I will post the link in the description if you are interested in purchasing that. Okay, first tutorial. It's very similar to my royal head wrap, but it's a little different in technique. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm going to take a black scarf and line it up. It's folded the long way. And we're going to just take it and flip it on our head. Same amount of scarf on both sides. As best as you can do it. I mean, I'm not telling you to sit here and measure it, but as best as you can do it. I have a mirror over here, so if you see me looking over there, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Okay, so we're going to go behind the head and we're going to tie this like you would first start to tie your shoe. That first twist, right? Tie tight, like just get rid of all your thoughts. Just tie it tight enough. It's not gonna stay that tight, but get a good tie on it. Okay, and I'm gonna put the frayed edge forward to the front because as you can see, the straight edge is it's a little shorter. So I need more to work with. So I'm going to put the frayed edge forward to the front and I'm going to just fold that in. And now I'm going to take and flip, keep it flat, and flip it across my head. And leave this alone. I'm going on top of that. And I'm tucking this all underneath. Tuck, 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 right? Make sure I have everything where it's supposed to be. Okay, cool. Next, I'm gonna take this edge. I keep trying to talk to the mirror. I'm sorry. It's just habitual when you can see yourself to go to talk to whoever you can see. So I'm gonna do the same on this side, fold this edge in, and I'm gonna flip this over the top. Just the same way I did the other side. And now this, I am going to take and spin under that. And you can either tuck it under or you can tuck it into the lip of this, like I'm going to do. I'm just gonna stick it in that lip and get everything up under there. And then I'm going to adjust as much as possible. Okay. And this is the head wrap. This is it. And you can wear this head wrap anywhere. It's very good for every day. You can wear it to Shabbat class, wherever. And it is just suitable for all things. I mean, you could put on dressy earrings, dress it up. You can put on just some studs and just have a regular, humble day. But it's very versatile as far as what you wear with it and what type of material scarf that you do it with. So that is head wrap number 1. Okay, I'm gonna use a beige scarf. For this one, I'm holding it arm span length. And I'm gonna take the 2 corners and I'm gonna fold it into a square. And then I'm gonna take my right hand and go down diagonally to this corner. So now, we have a triangle that we're working with. Yes? Good. Okay, so take the longest edge in your hands and we're just gonna put it on our heads. And the point is now between my eyes. So you snatch everything up. You make sure this is 1 layer of scarf. You don't want this to be too thick around your head here. Okay, we're just gonna tie it once. this you pull towards you just a little, and then tighten those ears just like so. And now I'm going to pull this flap backwards. Tuck anything, if the tag ends up being right in your face, just pull it back. Once you lift that, you'll see whether your underscarf is showing or not. You can just tuck it back and then make any adjustments that you need to from there. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to take the ears of this scarf, what looks like ears, right? And I'm going to tie them neatly together, and then just like seam, if there's any part, like you see that little piece that's showing there, I'm going to cover that up. Just cover what needs to be covered. So I got that tied, and I'm left with these bunny ears. And I'm going to start lifting up on the top of this scarf to get some volume up there. Now I'm going to take this, and if you see there's a pocket down in here, I'm going to tuck that into that pocket, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, but try and make it look as neat as possible. I'm sorry, I keep looking in the mirror because I can't tell what I am doing. You know what, I'm actually going to switch these because it seems like the other side is laying a little better. So yes, I'm going to switch them. Tuck this into there, tuck this one into here, right? And then we're just going to lift up on the baggy part here to make it a little more voluminous. Okay, mine is a little off-centered, which sometimes I like. But yeah, I think we've got it covered here. Yeah, so this is yet another everyday scarf that you could wear. I wear this at the grocery store. I wear this when somebody decides they want to pop up and not let me know they were coming. You can run your errands with these scarves on. You can go to mama's house. Do what you need to do with these two head wraps on. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. And yeah, till next time, ladies, may the Most High bless you, keep you, shine his face upon you, and give you peace. Peace.